Good morning everyone. I've been waiting here now nearly 2 hours to film this video. It's just not getting light today. It's now what, 8:30, and it's still, I don't think it's going to get any lighter, so I'm just going to have to go ahead and show you these journals. So if it's a little bit dark, I'm sorry, but it's coming towards the end of October in the UK and it's really getting that sort of grey dark mornings. Right, I won't keep you much longer. I've made 3 what I'm calling tall skinny journals. I watched a video, I think her name was Ros Kennedy on YouTube. I will link the lady's videos that I got the inspiration from these. And she got the inspiration from another lady, I think her name is Odusina Scraps, something similar like that. And she does a tutorial on how to make these. And I just thought they were lovely, and I just thought they'd be a nice little ideal journal for this time of year for just keeping notes, jotting stuff down, your Christmas card list, etc, etc. And I know it's only October and I'm talking about Christmas, so please don't kill me now, but it's getting there. Right, like I said, I've done 3s and they're called, I've just going to list them as vintage creams, vintage green and vintage reds, basically because those are the sort of colour of the covers. I shall start with the first one, vintage creams. I guess as the name suggests, it's mainly creams and whites and lots of laces. I haven't really put a closure on, I've just wrapped a little bit of sari around them just to sort of keep them together really whilst I was filming. The cover has a gorgeous little angel on the front, and she's just gorgeous. I think this is from one of the Paper Garden Christmas kits. I've used various kits throughout these, so there's none I've used particular, but I have used Artie Mae's Christmas Cheer, I think, and Vintage Christmas. I've also used Tsunami Rose Christmas List and the Paper Gardens Christmas papers. I think that is mainly the 4 kits which I've just picked bits from, and I've used stuff I've had lying about for a couple of years. The front is, like I said, it's a picture of this gorgeous little angel, but I've just backed it with a doily, coffee stained doily. I'm getting full of sari silk there. It's got a little bow on, and I think the lady who did the tutorial said she originally got the ideas from Lorry Girl on the Ridge, so I think we've all inspired each other here somewhere along the line, but I will link all the tutorials and everything at the bottom. Like I said, they start off, they're a bit hard to explain really. They sort of start off thinner and they work their way out a little bit, and they're just, all the edges have got like lace and stuff on them, but I will go through them. Here I've just got a piece of lace on a blank page. There's a little tuck spot here. This one is sort of, I've kept it more sort of neutral and sort of angel themed really. Little bit of trim. Ideal, like I said, for writing your Christmas list, notes, things to do. Just put a little pocket with some journaling cards, just to put little bits of notes on. A little pocket with a little cream ribbon. There's I've used some Edith Holden December pages. I think these are Artie Mae's. They were her Christmas music sheets with Christmas carols on, which are great for using at this time of year. Another beautiful little angel, I love her. These I do know are from Paper Garden papers. It's just a little angel. She's beautiful. She's got a little dove or something in her hand. There's some French book paging. Like I said, I've kept them sort of fairly neutral, creams. These, I won't pull everything out, but these do flip open and they've got like secret journaling space below. A large tag. This is one of Artie Mae's, I do know that. I've left a lot of these tags so they can just be unclipped, because obviously this time of year I know people do write a bit more. A little Tim Holtz die cut with just some little journaling cards and little angel pictures in. Can't believe now quick Christmas is coming round. It's probably only about 8 weeks off, is it? Or something along them lines. At the centre of the page. Oh, these measure that are 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. So they're like a traveller's notebook size. Here I've just put a few bits of journaling cards in, bits of papers, tickets, and I've left a blank guest check-in, which I thought would be nice to sort of decorate yourself however you want to do it. They are for sale, these, and I've already listed them in my Etsy. And like I said, they will be listed as Christmas creams, or vintage creams, I think, or vintage greens and vintage red. Just the little journaling cards, which I've collaged up. A couple of these are Artie Maze's little word, what do you call these? Proverby things. That's another Artie Maze underneath. Just put one of these little Tim Holtz clips. I love these, and I've been hoarding onto them, but I have started to use them a bit. Little tuck spot up at the corner here where I've just put a little tag. Here it said, stand fixed in steadfast gaze, a Christmas dream. Those are the little Tim Holtz Christmas words. They are. Oh, sorry about this. I've lost my because I'm filming on with my phone and everything and my watch. I just get all confused with it. The other side of that hat, the Herald Angels sing Christmas paper. Nice little scene of a little girl and a young boy looking at the Christmas tree, probably a Christmas morning. December, Edith Holden. Another one of these little secret journal tags with just a little bit of cream sari on the top. More blank paper for journaling. A little fabric flip, and it's just got 3 little angels on. Some spare paper I've just wrapped over just for extra journaling space. Little tuck spot here, and I've just put a journaling card in. And onto the back there's a back pocket with just some little spare journaling space and a couple of tags. And like I said, the back has got this doily on, but they do feel quite nice to hold in your hand, and they're not too big and bulky. Or they could be used to record your Christmas memories for the day. They're used for all sorts, really. That's the first one. The next one is Christmas greens. Once again, just a little bit of sari ribbon wrapped around them. I've kept this sort of a more traditional sort of Christmas colours like greens, little splashes of reds, and once again lots of neutral cream laces. The cover I think was from Tsunami Rose Christmas List. I've just put another bow on it, and I've just put this lovely little image where I've just put a little bit of lace underneath. Same on the back, just some Christmassy sort of paper, some lace. Frame, yeah. This is one of the Tim Holtz little paper dolls, the Christmas collection. Just put some lace on, left blank space here for journaling. As I said, these pages are sort of start narrow and they get bigger, hence the name Tall and Skinny, but they do get wider as they go along. And obviously the lace is like meant to sort of layer down and the lace peeks out better, sort of thing. Just put a couple of little bits of sticker things on. This is a nativity scene which I thought was really, really lovely, but I have put a little sprinkling of gold glitter dust around, and if you can't use glitter dust now at Christmas, you're never using it, are you? Because I love me glitter. Here I've just got a little side pocket with a couple of journaling cards in. I've tried to leave a lot of space for journaling. Just a little tag and a top tuck spot. A little bit of a vintage lace trim, it's got a gorgeous little butterfly on. In frame here. This one has got a little paper bag in which I've collaged up using 2 beautiful little angels. Put a little bit of a paper doily behind and just some background papers, and it just says Christmas Dream Together. And in them I've put in a couple of journaling cards, some tags. These are quite handy for keeping receipts and things in. Here I've just collaged up, these papers I know was from the Paper Garden. This was just an image I've found, but I think she's lovely. She's like a mistletoe fairy. Just put little bits of glitter here and there, more lace. These are Artimazes tag. Sorry, I'm not sure which kit these are from. Some more Edith Holden December pages. And I love my Edith Holden December pages, but needs must. And it's a gorgeous image of holly and ivy. Yeah, just love holly and ivy this time of year. Some more Christmas music paper. One of the Artimaze journaling cards. The other side of the bag, I've just put another little green angel on. There's a tag in there. Another little bit of a collage up. Love these two. Just always look as though they're going Christmas shopping. This was Tsunami Rose Christmas list. A couple of blank pages for journaling. This is removable, but if you want to hide secret things in it, you can. Some more writing space. Another one of Artimaze tags. These you can, they're like these, and you can just tuck things behind them. Some more lace, which has nearly all been coffee stained. Little secret journaling thing here. Another one of the Artimaze tags. I think that is the Vintage Christmas, but I might be wrong. Here I've just at the back done a little side pocket where I've just got a couple of Artimaze's journaling cards in, and I just put one of Believe in the Magic of Christmas. Christmas magic is silent. You don't hear it, you feel it, and you know it, and you believe it. I love that because it's so true. That's the second one, which is the Christmas greens. And my cat Louis has just turned up now, waiting to come in, but he'll have to wait till I've finished filming. I tried to get him in before I started, but obviously they have a mind of their own. This was my last one now. It's Christmas reds, vintage red, I can't. But when I look at it now, it's actually more burgundy than red. But once again, another little bit of sari just to keep them closed. Here I've used that same image again, which I just love these two. And I just love her clothes, and I just love how she's dressed. Once again, I've just done a little collage up with some lace and some, it's just like a little trim off a scarf here. I don't actually know what it's called. Little burgundy sari silk ribbon. And I've put lots of like burgundy and black in this because I sort of quite like these two colours at Christmas. Once again, it starts off the same. They just fold open. You can leave it like space for jotting down your lists, Christmas cards list and things. Little side pocket here, which great for putting in receipts and little reminders. Some more lace trim, a little journaling card. Got some vellum in. These are all Artimaze. I think there's a lot of Artimaze in this one. Spare journaling paper. Another little journaling card. Some more lace. Love this. This is one of the Artimaze background. I just love them colours. They're gorgeous. That's done on vellum. Another little paper bag here, which I've just put in a couple of journaling cards. And I've got a lovely little angel, which just says Joy of Noel, and I've just put some glitter around to sparkle it up a bit. Another one of the Artimaze tags. More vintage lace. I've been sort of holding on to my lace a bit again because my lace stash seemed to be going down, but I'm starting to use it again. Little journaling card. Just done one of these little embossed tags where I've just gone over it with some gold gilding wax, just to bring out, highlight the flowers really. Edith Holden, December. Love that picture of the wren. That's one of Artimaze, but I love these because the leaves like lots of lines for writing. I've already started now on my Christmas list. I've made myself one of these, just for, obviously for my list. So I've already started on mine with my card list and my shopping list. Nothing like being prepared. It's a little tuck here I've done with another little bit of embossing. It's just got a few journaling cards in and some extra journaling paper. Little paper bag I've been collaged up again with a couple of angels, a couple of Christmas tags. These background papers are all Paper Garden. I've used this mistletoe fairy again because I think she's beautiful. Yeah, I've got some, I've just said, I've got some journaling cards and tags in here. Some more vellum, another one of these little secret writing. When I say secret, they're just sort of, you can shut them, you can write in there and close them back up and put them in, so if you don't want anybody peeking at what they're getting for Christmas, they're ideal. Some more blank paper for writing, another large tag which can obviously journal on the back. More vellum, plain paper. Here I've just got a little lace pocket where I've just put in a couple of journaling cards and a little side pocket here where it's just got compliments of the season, journaling card, a couple of journaling cards. It's tuck in like that. Really enjoyed making these. I've just been working on some autumn journals. I'm going back onto an autumn journal that I've half started, but I thought if I don't make a start on Christmas, before I know it, it's like November, and sometimes if you have to post things, you sort of need to be going in the next couple of weeks. Here is just a little picture of a lady who's been out gathering mistletoe by the looks of it. And I've just collaged it up with some bits of music paper, some background paper, a couple of stickers, and I've just put a little bit of that, I think that's the Tim Holtz platinum glitter thing, but I absolutely love it. And I can never wait for Christmas so I can take it out and start using it. And that's the end of the third one. Like I said, they're all, I think, they've got 40 pages in them front to back. I've said the measurements. Yeah, and they're now up for sale on my Etsy shop if anyone's interested. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a good day. Take care, bye.